All God has put us together. There's no doubt that we are going to be one. Let me allude to something, the change of national anthem. Some people say, okay, so what? Is that your priority? It's my priority. I agree with the National Assembly. If they make law, I got to obey that law, or we disagree openly and close the chapter. But the question of diversity, who gave us the name Nigeria? Is it not Britain? Have we changed our name? We are Nigerians. Our passport shows that. As long as we are Nigerians and one family, we remain and protect our diversity and love one another as brothers and sisters. The question of who you are, you have no control over it. It is God Almighty that put you in that particular place and make you a member of that family. You have no control over it. When I came begging for votes, I didn't say vote for me as a Yoruba man. I say vote for me as a Bola Ahmed Tunibu, one of you. Accept me. And I could see the result. I'm hanging on to that mandate jealously. And I'm working my heart out. And I promise you, I still work harder